Hi. Steve and I have taken the opportunity today to go for a drive. We've come up Highway 20 along the Skagit River, and we've come along to the Happy Creek Forest walk and trail. The weather has turned out a little bit nice, and we're going to see, I think this is just like a little half-mile loop, so we're going to check it out. So this is one of the first days that the trails have been open again in the national park. So we're happy to see that. All right, that's the Happy Creek. We're heading up here because there's probably a falls. We had almost an inch of rain last night, and so this creek's quite full. Okay, Steve asked me to find a bear, and have seen a little brown bear.
He's not brown. There's one in front of him too. There are two of them.
Two cubs?
I don't know if the cubs. Look, there's two of them. Yep, they're both cubs.
Okay. So.
Yep. See that? There's the big one.
Okay.
To the left.
Okay.
Yep, there's Mama.
Hello.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Bear.
Clap, clap. Clap, clap.
Hey, Bear.
I'm on video. There are two cubs?
There are two cubs at least. Yep. Yep.
We're a
There
good
they
200 feet. How far away are we?
200
Quite
feet.
far, yeah.
Hey, Bear. Good girl. Keep moving. All right. You win.
I get the points for the wildlife.
Yep.
Well, that was fun to see 3 bears, 2 cubs and a mama. And they've totally moved out of the area, so we feel fine continuing along the trail here. We gave them enough time to move on. Here's a little peekaboo view down to Ross Lake. And with that white shoreline, we could tell that the water is still probably 20 to 30 feet, maybe even 50 below the normal water level. So it turns out that there is a spur trail that goes 1.2 miles, and it's kind of around Ruby Mountain, and we're going to be going over here to see the falls. We're almost to the waterfall, and we're back close to the creek again. We come across this big blowdown blocking the trail. At least 2 or 3 big fir trees. Here's a beautiful creek. Very thick with trees in here. No bugs, it's been real nice.
Probably old mining equipment. It looks like a nozzle for water to shoot out at high pressure.
And there's, what else is some of this other stuff?
I think some of that other stuff must have been a pulley for running like a motor or something, but it was run by water. Absolutely.
up this nice hike. There's so many hikes to do here in the North Cascades, but if you get the time to do this one, it's really worth it. It took us about an hour, taking our time to get into the falls area, and we're now back at the boardwalk area. And it was probably about a 500-foot elevation gain from around 2250 up to about 2750. And like I said, there weren't really any bugs today. It's real nice and refreshing. And we only saw about 6 other people, two small groups. And yeah, it's just really so nice to be back out, being able to enjoy the woods and a little fresh air.